much indeed. Speaking there to Masa Ali Mardani.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Lee FAL, beginning at 9:44 a.m. and ending at 1:44 p.m. Lee County has called for Zone A and Zone B evacuation. Go to www.leegood.com/storm for more information.
Welcome to the program. Just give us the background to this. Why has the Philippines said that it's going to close offshore gambling firms?
Well, on the one hand, as the Philippine Department of Justice indicated, this has to do with the really shady